In this class, we'll learn how to solve quadratic inequalities. X squared plus 2x minus 35 is greater than 0. Remember to always solve quadratic inequalities by sketching. Let y equals x squared plus 2x minus 35. We need to find out the parts of x that makes y greater than 0. Now let's sketch the curve of y. The discriminant is positive, so there are two intersections or roots. A is positive, so the parabola opens upwards. The graph is like this. So which parts of x will make y greater than 0? It's the part that's less than the first root, or the part that's greater than the second root. X values between the two roots make y negative. We can factorize the quadratic function into x plus 7 times x minus 5. Therefore, the two roots are minus 7 and 5. So the solution is x less than minus 7, or x greater than 5. For x squared plus 2x minus 35 less than 0, we know the solution is minus 7 less than x less than 5. Let's look at some more examples. 6 plus x minus x squared greater than 0. It can be factorized into x plus 2 times minus x plus 3 greater than 0. There are two roots. A is negative. So the graph is like this. We see that the part that's between the two roots makes the function values positive. So the solution is minus 2 less than x less than 3. X squared less than or equal to x plus 20. Move all terms to one side and make the other side 0. Remember to always make one side 0 when solving quadratic inequalities. It becomes x squared minus x minus 20 less than or equal to 0. This can be factorized into x minus 5 times x plus 4 less than or equal to 0. There are two roots. A is positive. So the graph is like this. We see the part between the two roots makes the function values negative. So the solution is minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. X squared plus x plus 5 less than 0. The discriminant is negative. A is positive. So the graph is like this. All y values are greater than 0. Therefore there's no solutions. X squared plus 2x plus 1 greater than 0. This is a complete square. It is x plus 1 squared greater than 0. The discriminant is 0. Therefore the sketch is like this and there's one root which is minus 1. Only when x is equal to minus 1, will the function value be 0. All other y values are positive. Therefore the solution is x not equal to minus 1. X squared minus 5x plus 6 greater than 0. We can factorize it into x minus 2 times x minus 3 greater than 0. There are two roots and a is positive. So the graph is like this. We can see that y is greater than 0 when x is less than 2 or greater than 3. Therefore, the solution is x less than 2, or x greater than 3. (21 minus 11x minus 2x squared less than 0). We can multiply minus 1 on both sides, and make it 2x squared plus 11x minus 21 greater than 0. Remember, when multiplying a negative number on an inequality, the sign will change direction. Factorize it into 2x minus 3 times x plus 7 greater than 0. There are two roots and a is positive. So the graph is like this. We can see that y is greater than 0 when x is less than minus 7 or greater than 3 over 2. Therefore, the solution is x less than minus 7, or x greater than 3 over 2. These are the general solutions for ax squared plus bx plus c greater than 0. For ax squared plus bx plus c less than 0, you can multiply minus 1 on both sides and change it to this case. If del 2 is greater than 0, there are two roots. Therefore the parabola has two intersections with the x-axis. If A is positive, the parabola opens upwards. And the solution is x less than x1, or x greater than x2. If A is negative, the parabola opens downwards. And the solution is x1 less than x2. If del2 is 0, there's one root. The parabola is tangent to the x-axis. If A is positive, the parabola opens upwards. All x values but the root will make the y value greater than 0. So the solution is x not equal to x1. If A is negative, the parabola opens downwards. All y values are less than or equal to 0. So there are no solutions. If del2 is negative, the parabola doesn't intersect with the x-axis. If A is positive, the parabola opens upwards. All y values are greater than 0. So x can be any number. If A is negative, the parabola opens downwards. All y values are negative. So there are no solutions. In this class, we learned how to solve quadratic inequalities. Move terms to make one side 0. Multiply -1 on both sides if necessary. Remember to change the direction of the inequality sign if you do so. Sketch the curve. Find the parts of x that satisfy the inequality. Always solve quadratic inequalities by sketching.